Hey, Coach Greg here, and welcome to day 4 of the 10-day Muffin Top Toning Challenge. You've been crushing it so far, and we're going to continue getting that train rolling with some belly burning exercises with weights, but you have the option to not use them. Up to you, but let's get started. All right, I'm just going to demonstrate the different exercises for you first, and then we'll jump right into our first set. We're going to start off with an overhead single leg march. A lot of words. We're going to focus on our left leg, so you just want your weight in your opposite hand, and all we're doing is putting our arms straight overhead as best as we can, locking out our elbow. My core is tight, my back is flat. I'm just gonna focus on raising this knee up and maintaining control, my balance, just like that. We'll do 30 seconds one side, and then we'll switch to the other leg. Just like this, nice and controlled. Then we will switch to weighted side bends. Grab your weights, and all we're doing is focusing feet shoulder width apart, really bending over to one side. You want to feel the stretch in your oblique, and the next. Just like that, and then we're going to finish off with some trunk twists. You can hold one weight in your hand in front of you, twisting the side to side. Weight gets too heavy, you can reset between position. And the cool thing is, you can do all these exercises without weight. Just like that, even the reaches, side bends, and the trunk twists. So without further ado, let's jump into our first set right now. Overhead single leg march, 3, 2, 1, go. Really just gonna focus on one side at a time. And you can use whatever weight you feel comfortable with. It could be a 5, a 7, a 2. It can be body weight. But just having weighted exercises really helps your body. Like as I'm raising a leg, all my muscles are firing and triggering and trying to make me stay upright. But that's really gonna help you tighten your core. 3, 2, and 1. We're gonna switch to the other leg. We're going in 3, 2, 1, let's get it. I like to try to get my knee to parallel. Just gotta shift your weight to your back leg. And really concentrate on your core. Now if this is too difficult, you can put the weight down. You can even just hold on to something. Even something like this is gonna work, trust me. The weight helps, but body weight is just as good. 3, 2, let's do one more, and down. Great job, shake out your legs, shake out your arms. We have weighted side bends first, or next I should say. Alrighty, 3, 2, 1, let's get it. Really reach, let the weight pull you down with gravity. Make sure you're breathing. You can have your legs closer together. You can a little farther apart for a deeper stretch. I like to find somewhere in the middle. These are great because they're almost passive, right? You're not like burning a bunch of energy or sweating, being crazy, but your whole body is under tension. Let's do one more, and done. Last, we have trunk twists. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Weight in front, twisting to one side, bring it over. Just like this. Go at your own pace. Maybe the weight you picked is too heavy to bring it in front of you, no worries. Set it down. Focus on body weight. There it is. Keep it going. Make sure you're breathing. We're burning that muffin top. 3, 2, 1, and done. Great job. First set done, we're gonna jump right into the second set. You know exactly what you're doing now. This is gonna be a quick one, but trust me, by the end of it, you're gonna be loving it. So here we go, set number 2 starts now. All right, overhead single leg march, 3, 2, 1, go. Overhead single leg march, right leg, 3, 2, 1, go. Weighted side bends, 3, 2, 1, go. Trunk twist, 3, 2, 1, go. Great job, second set done. Grab some more if you need to, but if not, we're gonna jump right into our third set. Let's finish strong. We got this, let's get it. All right, overhead single leg march, 3, 2, 1, go. Overhead single leg march, right leg, 3, 2, 1, go. Weighted side bends, 3, 2, 1, go. Trunk twist, 3, 2, 1, go. And there you have it, day 4 is done. This is your 10-day Muffin Top Toning Challenge with Coach Gabby and Coach Greg. Hopefully you are loving it so far. Hopefully you're nice and sweaty and feeling your body changing. If you are posting any results online, just use the hashtag #SvelteChallenges just so that we can see it, we can celebrate with you and support you. But tune in tomorrow with day 5 with Coach Gabby, and I'll see you on day 6. Peace, stay strong, my friend.